So January 3rd, it's been a couple of weeks since Dad's fired this up. Just letting the there you go. Took a few times, but started right up. So
I didn't like that for a minute until
So we're really surprised that no one's contacted the owner on this one yet and bought it. Really, it just needs a paint job, and it's a really good value machine here. And Dad put a lot of work and effort into this machine, so if you're looking for a get into this machine and drive off type of Bombardier, you can't beat it. We're gonna put the contact details of the owner in here again. Bombardier is located in Nepal, Manitoba right now, so you'd have to pick it up here. We don't own this machine. And there's a bit of a look on the inside here. Here's the interior, ready to go winter roading or commercial ice fishing or just touring around with your family. And so we just plugged this in here today. Dad had it plugged in for about an hour, and it's a good machine. You guys aren't going to find them much cheaper than this. So if you're looking to invest in a Bombardier and drive it away and actually not worry about anything, this is the one to go with. We know of a couple other Bombardiers locally that you can get, but yeah, the only thing that's not here is the skis. The owner has the skis back at his place down south, and you guys can give him a call. And you got power steering in this machine, and Dad's just giving it some gas here. He didn't want the machine to set idle too long, so that's why he plugged it in today. Again, this machine belongs to a customer down south. We'll put the contact details for that customer in the description of the video. You can contact him. We believe it's a fairly priced Bombardier for the amount of work that went into this, and the fact that you can just turn the key and go right now and drive it away and use it for whatever purpose you want it. It's a good value machine. Again, if you want a prettier machine and you want a paint job, well, you're more than welcome to do it. That's literally like the last thing to do on this machine is give it a prettier paint job. But if you need a working machine, this is the one to go with. And again, we're kind of shocked and surprised it hasn't sold yet. Given the other machines that are local that have sold for more, we're kind of surprised this one hasn't sold yet. So Dad's just doing some fine tuning here as well, and he just wants to know if somebody does come pick this up that it's ready to go, and he doesn't want to fart around with it should that person purchase it. So he's let it run here for about 5-10 minutes. And I think he's just going to shut her all down or check the gauges now. Again, it purrs like a kitten, and it's a beautiful machine. And it's off. And you just started it up again, no problem. All good.